everyone. Kalani here with another lesson. We're going to learn how to play this song. Has anybody seen my gal, otherwise known as 5'2" Eyes of Blue? A really fun, cute song from 1940s, I believe. Right around the time this ukulele was made. This is Grandma's Style 1 soprano, Martin. That was the word I was looking for. My grandmother's Style 1 soprano Martin ukulele, kind of a period correct ukulele for this song. So 5'2" Eyes of Blue with a shirt of blue. What you need for this song, and I'm going to show you the chords. If you don't know how to play the chords, you want to go learn how to play the chords, but I'm going to show you which chords we need in the chord view. We're going to do this song in C, so you're going to start with your C chord, and then we're going to go to E7, pretty easy. That's a brother or cousin to G7. We're going to do A7, also one of our favorite one-finger chords. We're going to go to the easy D7. You can do the bar chord D7 if you want. We're going to use G7, and we're going to use F in this song. So I'm going to play through it right now, and then I will break it down a little bit. Here, I'm going to say the chords as I'm going through, and I will do my best to hum the melody. But you can look up the words to the song. They're everywhere. So here's the song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that was C, E7, A7, and D7, G7, C, G7. So that's the first part. And I want to say that the turnaround, or how we get back into the verse, is going to G7 and then we go back to the top. So let's do that first part again. Again, the sequence is C, E7, A7, D7, G7, which are all 5/7 chords of each other, starting on E. And then we do C, we go back to C and then go back to G7, and then we do it again. But the second ending is different. So let's go all the way through up until right before we go to the chorus. G7 again. All right, so the second time, after the second phrase or the second, verse, we go C, F, C. So that's kind of a resolution there. Then we go to the chorus, and we're going to do the same chords, but we're going to do each one the same amount of time. We're going to do the same sequence starting on E7. So, okay, so what do we do there? It's just basically 4 counts of each one, but when we get to the G7, we stop and there's a little break. So again, chorus 2, here we go. And then break, verse C, E7, A7, and D7, G, C, G, C, E7, A7, and D7, G7, C. Chorus. Break. Ending. D7, G7, D7, G7, D7, G7, C. All right, so those are the chords and that's the form to 5'2", Eyes of Blue, a cute song from the first half of the 20th century, played on an ukulele that was made right at the middle of the 20th century the style one, Martin soprano. Would you guys do me a favor before you leave? Please like and subscribe to the Ukulele Club channel. That'll help a lot. If you'd like to connect with me more, go to kalanimusic.com, and you can also go to teacherspayteachers.com and get the Ukulele Club multimedia resource. Fabulous if you're a classroom teacher or an ukulele teacher. I'm Kalani. Thanks for watching, and enjoy 5'2" Eyes of Blue.